Hello everyone and welcome to another AdMaths tutorial video. Now we are discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics, Chapter 6 Coordinate Geometry, Long Question Example 4. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorial videos in the future. Alright guys, without further delay, let's jump to the question now. As you are looking right now is the example for Chapter 6 Coordinate Geometry, Long Question guys. So let's read the question together. Point S moves in such a way that it is equidistant from point P, which in the coordinate 0, 3, and point Q, 1, 0. Point T moves in such a way that its distance from point R, which is in the coordinate 1, 1, is always square root 58 units. Alright guys. So the question asks to find the equation of the locus of the moving point S, and the question B, find the equation of the locus of the moving point T, and the last question, find the coordinates of the intersection points of the two loci. So as mentioned in the question, there are two locus we need to find, which is locus S and locus T. Locus means it's a moving point guys, so point S is in the moving point, so point T is also a moving point. So alright guys, I hope you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. Okay, alright, without further delay, let's jump to the solutions now. Okay, as you see here, the questions are very lengthy and wordy. So what you're going to do now is, so don't worry, so try to get some of the important information in the question guys. So point S is in the moving point, so it's a one locus, such a way that it's equidistant from point P to point Q. So point P is a y-intercept and point Q is a x-intercept. So equidistance means it's the point is moving in a straight line. Okay, whereas point T moves in such a way that its distance from point R is always 58 units. I mean square root 58 units. So that means it's moving in a circular direction. The circular direction always move with the reference point, which is the center point guys. Okay, I'm going to show you the diagram which I've drawn to you. Okay. So this is the diagram which I've drawn based on the question. So for the students out there, I recommend you to to draw out the diagram immediately when you see these wordy questions. If you see a question give you a diagram, okay, that's fine. But if the question didn't give you diagram, you must draw out your diagram so that it will be easier for you to solve. So as you can see here, this is your point P and point Q with the equidistance, and this is your moving point S. This is your locus S, which moves in a straight line. Whereas this is your point R with the center 1, 1, moves in a circular direction with a distance square root 58 units guys. So as you notice here, at some point these two locus will intersect. So towards the end, these are the 2 points that we are going to find out. So what are the coordinates will be intersecting these two locus. Okay, so I hope you understand the concept behind this question. So for question A, we are going to start to find the equation of the locus of the point S. Okay, the moving point S, which is in the equidistance, which is the straight line. Okay, let us proceed to the solution. So this is your moving point T guys. So this is your moving point T and this is your moving point S. So to find equation of locus of the moving point S, so which is in between the point P and point R, so we're going to take S as a moving point and compare to the equal distance from P and from Q. So usually what we will deal is, so when we want to calculate the distance, we will always have a fixed point, so it's easier for us to calculate and then compare. But then this point is moving, we don't know the exact point. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to take S in the coordinate of X and Y. So we have two variables over here. So and we're going to compare in terms of the distance P and then equals to distance R. since the locus in the equidistance from point P and point Q, guys. Okay, So we're going to use the distance formula to calculate this locus. So we're going to substitute in the point P first and then followed by point Q. Okay, so x minus 0 square plus y minus 3 square, and then you square root, equals to the coordinate of point Q, x minus 1 square plus y minus 0 square, and then you square root it. So this is your x-intercept and this is your y-intercept value. Okay, let us continue the working. So from here, you expand the bracket, you should get x square plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equals to square root x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square. So from here, how are we going to continue, guys? So what you're going to do is we're going to square the both equation to eliminate the square root over here, guys. So I'm going to show it in the next page. So please hold on. Okay, we rewrite the whole equation here again. So x square plus y square minus 6y plus 9 square root, and then equals to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square square root. So for the next step, what you're going to do is you're going to square both sides in order to eliminate the square root. So from here you get x square plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equals to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square. So what you can do is you can eliminate your x square and y square, guys. So x square minus x square, since they are both in the equal side, so you can cancel them out. You can cancel your x square. So y square and y square also you can cancel out. So the only thing left is your linear variable. So 6y plus 9 equals to negative 2x plus 1. So what you can do is you can express it in terms of, y in terms of x. So you can bring the positive 9 to the right hand side, which will get negative 9 plus 1 equals to negative 8. So continue to the next step. So 6y equals to negative 2x minus 8. So from here you find in terms of y. So you divide the whole equation by negative 6. You should get y is equals to 1 over 3x plus 4 over 3. So this is your answer, guys. So for locus of point S, as we mentioned in the question earlier, is moving in the straight line equation. So we have already proved in terms of a straight line equation form that the locus is actually moving in a straight line equation form, which is y equals to 1 over 3x plus 4 over 3. Okay, let us continue to the next question, which we need to find the locus T. So to find the equation of locus of the moving point T, so we're going to calculate the moving point T relative to the point R. So point R is actually the center of a circle, but then the point T is not a fixed point, it's a moving point. So what we're going to do is we're going to set our coordinate of point T in terms of x, y. Alright, guys, so continue to the next step. So based on the coordinate R, we're going to calculate the distance with the variable x and y. So x minus 1 square plus y minus 1 square, you square root it, equals to square root 58. Square root 58 is the distance, guys, or you can say radius also can. So you expand in the bracket and you should get your answer. X square minus 2y plus 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equals to square root 58. So this side also got square root, this side also got square root. So for the next step, what you can do is square both sides in order to eliminate the square root. Okay, from here you get x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equals to 58. You can bring the 58 from the right hand side to the left hand side. So from here you get, so the numbers you can add on, you get 2. So this number you bring it to the left hand side, you get negative 58. So 2 minus 58 you get is negative 56. So therefore your answer for the locus of moving point T is x square minus 2x plus y square minus 2y minus 56 equals to 0. So this is your locus, equation of a locus T, guys. It's a moving circle. So we have already find the locus of moving point S, and then we already find the locus of moving point T. So now what we can do is we can proceed to find the intersection of two loci. Okay, let us proceed to the last question, which is the question C. Okay, I've already rewrite the whole equation here. X square minus 2x plus y square minus 2y minus 56 equals to 0. So this will be our first equation, which is the locus T. Y equals to 1 over 3x plus 4 over 3, which is the second equation, locus S. So this is a straight line and this is a circular form. This is a circular equation. So since the question is already expressed in terms of y, what we can do is we're going to substitute equation 2 into the equation 1. Okay. So from here, x square minus 2x plus 1 over 3x plus 4 over 3 square minus 2 in a bracket 1 over 3x plus 4 over 3 minus 56 equals to 0. So what we're going to do is for this 1 over 3x plus 4 over 3 square, we're going to expand in. So according to the the expansion formula, so 1 over 3x, so you square this, you get 1 over 9x square, and then 1 over 3x times 4 over 3 times 2, so you should get 8 over 9, and then 4 over 3 square, you should get is 16 over 9. So for this, you expand in, and these are the answer you should get, negative 2 over 3x minus 8 over 3. So from here, what you do, you rewrite the whole equation, x square minus 2x. As for the next step is, I've already expanded the bracket, which will be getting 1 over 9x square plus 8 over 9x plus 16 over 9. So expanding the negative 2 inside, you should be getting negative 2 over 3x minus 8 over 3 minus 56 equals to 0. So as you can see here, we have already starting to form a quadratic equation over here. And you can find out that there are many fractions involved here. So what you can do, guys, so what you can do is you can eliminate the fraction by times the whole equation by 9. Okay, when we times the whole equation by 9, so this is what we're going to get. Okay, let me pull this up. So 9x square minus 18x plus x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 6x minus 24 minus 504 equals to 0. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to regroup the equation from the degree of 2 to the degree of 1 and then to the degree of 0, which is x power of 0. Okay, 9x square plus x square you should get is 10x. Negative 18x plus 8x you should get negative 10x, and then you minus with 6x, you get is negative 16x. Then you then you sum up all the numbers, you should be getting this answer, 10x square minus 16x minus 512 equals to 0. Okay, what you can do for this, you can simplify the quadratic equation by dividing the whole equation by 2. So from here you get 5x square minus 8x minus 256 equals to 0. Okay, once you already simplified this equation, so now you can further factorize this using the factorization method. So from here you get 5x plus 32 in a bracket and then another bracket, x minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, from here you get 2x value, which is x equals to negative 32 over 5 and x equals to negative 8. Okay, alright guys, once you get all the respective values, so what you can do, you can use these x values to substitute back into the either one of the equation. But in this case, I will strongly recommend you to substitute into the equation 2, because when you substitute into the equation 1, it will take you more time for you to get the answer. But then when you substitute into the equation 2, it will be very fast for you to get the answer. Okay, let me show you the the next page, so please hold on. So when x equals to negative 32 over 5, so y equals to 1 over 3 in a bracket, negative 32 over 5, close bracket, plus 4 over 3. So from here you should get your answer is y equals to negative 4 over 5. Okay, this is your first coordinate, and when your x equals to 8, so y you'll be getting 1 over 3 in a bracket 8 plus 4 over 3. So when you times in the 1 over 3 with 8, you should get 8 over 3 plus 4 over 3, which you'll get is 12 over 3. So 12 over 3, when you simplify, you'll get y is equals to 4. So you already get another set of coordinate values. So therefore, the coordinates of loci intersection is negative 32 over 5, comma 4, negative 4 over 5, and 8, 4. So these are the coordinates, guys. So based on what we have drew in the earlier of the question, so it's proven that it's correct. So there will be two intersection points over here. Okay. So I'll leave the diagram over here, so for your reference. So alright guys, that is all for my step-by-step working and solution for this question. Any questions or feedback, feel free to put in the comment section below. And before that, so please tell me in the comment section, so how do you find out this question? So is it too difficult for you, or you can it's easy? Then do you manage to solve this question? So please put down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos. Alright guys, thank you everyone for your support, and I will see you in the next video.